Hi, this is Evan with Haven Lighting, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fuse in your outdoor mini controller. It's really easy. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. Let's get started. Take off the cover. And you'll notice there's this little compartment that says fuse with these tabs on it. Go ahead and squeeze the tabs and remove that panel. And there's your fuse. And your replacement fuses are on the back of the panel, which is pretty handy. So go ahead and take your tweezers, and we're going to gently rock back and forth as we pull. There you go. And then replace it with one of the new ones. Make sure it snaps into place. And there you go. It's that easy. Then replace the panel and replace the cover. And there you go. Good as new. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at havenlighting.com. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.